Hi everyone, in this video let's discuss about the MCQs on industries in India. The first question is, the first short-based integrated steel plant in the country is, so that is Visakhapatnam. And the second one, which is the leading state in India in shipbreaking industry, so that is Gujarat, option D. Third one, the largest industry in India is, so that is textile industry. And the fourth one, which place is called as Silicon Valley of India, that is Bengaluru. Then option 5, angry wool is extracted from which animal? So it is from rabbit. And the sixth one, which Indian state has the largest number of cotton textile mills? So the state which has largest number of cotton textile mills is Maharashtra. Hence option B is the right one. Seventh one, which of the following is a textile producing center in Bihar? So that is Bangalpur. Hence option C is the right one. Eighth one, match list 1 with list 2. And select the correct answers using the code given below the list. So the list 1 is industrial protection, bracewear, silk sarees, chicken embroidery, sports goods. List 2 places of production: Kanchipuram, Lucknow, Moradabad, Jalandhar. So bracewear, it is from Moradabad. And then silk sarees, it is from Kanchipuram. Chicken embroidery, it is from Lucknow. And then sports goods, it is from Jalandhar. Hence 3124, option A is the right one. Ninth one, at which of the following places the copper industry is located? So the copper industry is located at Ketri. 10th one, match list 1 with list 2 and select the correct answers using the code given below the list. So the list 1 is industry, railway equipment, automobile, shipbuilding and bicycle, and the list 2 is location: Kochi, Ludhiana, Bhilai and Jabalpur. So railway equipment, it is from Bhilai. And the next one, automobile, it is from Jabalpur. And shipbuilding, it is from Kochi. And bicycle, Ludhiana. Hence 3412, that is in option A, since option A is the right one. 11th one, match list 1 with list 2. Ludhiana auto parts, Kanpur woolen garments, Varanasi leather, Vijayawada handlooms. So here Ludhiana, so it is for woolen garments. And then Kanpur, so woolen garments. And then Kanpur, it is for leather. Varanasi, it is for handlooms. And Vijayawada, it is for auto parts. So hence the right option is 2341, option B is the right one. 12th one, at which of the following places Bharat Wagon and Engineering Co. Limited situated? So it is at Mohana. Hence option D is the right one. And 13th one, which one of the following is not a seaport? So that is Diamond Harbour. So this is a district in West Bengal and it is not a seaport. So Paradeep, Haldia, Dharma, so these are all seaport. So Haldia is a riverine port and this port is also known as Diamond Harbour. So the place Diamond Harbour, it is in West Bengal and it is a district, it is not a seaport. And 14th one, match the following places with districts and select the correct answer using the code given below. Bengaluru, iron and steel, Cobra, copper, Jamshedpur aircraft, Malashkan aluminium. So Bengaluru, it is famous for aircraft. And Cobra, it is aluminium. Jamshedpur, it is for iron and steel. Malashkan, it is for copper. Hence the right option is 3412, option D. 15th one, consider the following towns of India: Bhadrachalam, Chanderi, Kanchipuram, Karnal. Which of the above are famous for the production of traditional saris or fabric? That is Chanderi and Kanchipuram. So hence option B is the right one. 16th one, match list 1 with list 2. Industrial town Visakhapatnam, transport town Bhilai, mining town Singarali, garrison cantonment town Ambala. So here the industrial town is Bhilai and the transport town it is Singarali, mining town it is Visakhapatnam, garrison cantonment town that is Ambala. Hence the right one is 2314, option B. 17th one, India's high-speed rural broadband network has been commissioned in the district of. It is commissioned in the district of. So it is in the commission in the district of Kerala. That is, the district is Idukki district. Sixteenth one, which one of the following about sugar industry of peninsular India is not correct? The first one, high yield per hectare of sugar. Second one, higher sucrose content. Third one, long crushing season. Fourth one, most of the mills in the peninsula are located mainly along the east coast. So here they have asked which is not correct. So hence option D is not correct. So because most of the mills in the peninsula are located along the west coast. 19th one, which among the following industries is the maximum consumer of water in India? So that is thermal power, option D. 17th one, the shipbuilding yard Mazgaon Dock is located at. So it is located at Mumbai. 21st, India signed an agreement in 2016 to develop a strategic port in one of its neighboring country. What is the name of the port? So that is Chapahar, option A. 22nd one, with reference to the steel plants in India, which of the following pair is correct? So that is Salem and Tamil Nadu, that is the right one. So whereas Durgapur, Odisha, so this is wrong because Durgapur it is in West Bengal, and then Rourkela, West Bengal, so it is in Odisha. And then Bokaro, it is in Jharkhand. And 23rd, which one of the following industrial economic corridors of India is being developed in collaboration with Japan? So that is Delhi, Mumbai. Hence option C is the right one. 24th, the Tata Iron and Steel Company TISCO was established by Dorabji Tata in the year. So that is 1907. 25th, which of the following region is not known for cotton textile industry? So they have asked not known. So that is Dhanbad, Jamshedpur region, option D. So this is known for industrial region like cotton, steel and cement production. So on 26th, what is culture important for? So it is important for heavy water plant. Hence option B is the right one. 27th, which city of India is known as Athens of East? So that is Madurai. 28th, which of the following is not a twin city of India? So that is Hubli and Dharwad. So this is not a twin city of India. So there are some twin cities, that is Cuttack and Bhubaneswar, Ahmedabad and Gandhinagar, Thrissur and Tiruvallur, Bangalore and Hosur, Darg and Bhilai, Ahmedabad and Naini, etc. And 29th, when was the railway system established in India? So that is 1853. Option D. 30th one, consider the statements related to salt production in India. First statement, India is the second largest producer of iodized salt in the world, next only to China. Second one, salt mining is carried out in Himachal Pradesh. Third, Gujarat is the leading producer of salt in India. Fourth one, groundwater is the important source of salt in Rajasthan. So here they have asked, so consider the following statements related to the salt production industry. So that means we have to select the right answers. So here they have said India is the second largest producer. It is not the second largest producer, it is third largest producer. The first one is China and the next is USA. And the second one, salt mining is carried out in Himachal Pradesh. This is right. And Gujarat is the leading producer of salt in India. Yes, it produces about 80% of the salt. Hence, statement third is right. Fourth one, groundwater is the important source of salt in Rajasthan. So this one is wrong statement, because the source of salt from Rajasthan is Sambar Lake. So it is obtained by the evaporation of brine. So high concentration solution of salt in water is there, and they have evaporate that brine solution. So from that, Rajasthan produces salt. 31st, which of the following industries uses bauxite as a principal raw material? That is aluminium. 32nd, oil refinery at Bathinda is being established by, so that is by HPCL, option B. 33rd, which one of the following is the largest industry in India? That is textile industry. 34th, Tata Iron and Steel Company at Jamshedpur was established in. So it is established in 26th August 1907 by Dorabji Tata. And 35th, the largest number of cotton mills in Tamil Nadu is found in. So it is found in Coimbatore. 36th, the first cotton mill in India was set up in which city? So it is in Bombay in 1854. So the first time the cotton mill is established in Fort Gloucester in Calcutta in 1818, but it doesn't work. It ended up in failure. So hence again in 1854, a cotton mill was established, and it is known as Bombay Spinning and Weaving Company. So the first cotton mill in India was set up in which city? That is Bombay in 1854. 37, the Earth Station for Satellite Communication is located at, so that is at Avi in Gujarat. 38, National Remote Sensing Agency is located in, so it is located in Hyderabad. And 39th, match list 1 with list 2, Petrochemical Coimbatore, Aircraft Pinjore, Machine Tools Bengaluru, Cotton Textile Bongayan. So here petrochemical, that is in Bongayan, aircraft it is in Bengaluru, machine tools it is in Pinjore, and cotton textile it is in Coimbatore. Hence the right one is 4321, option A is the right one. 48th one, which of the following iron and steel plants is located neither iron ore area nor on coal field but approximately at the midway between them? So that is Jamshedpur. And 41, into how many pin code zones in India in the country divided? So that is 8 pin code zones. 42, which place is said to be the Manchester of South India? So that is Coimbatore. Then 43rd, India is an important member of the International Thermonuclear Experimental Reactor. If this experiment succeeds, what is the immediate advantage for India? So the immediate advantage is it can build fusion reactors, option D. 44, India's first railway university will come up at, so it is at Vadodara, will come up at Vadodara, that is in Gujarat. And 45, recently which of the following states has explored the possibility of constructing an artificial inland port to be connected to sea by a long navigation channel? So that is Rajasthan. And the next one is, dairy industry is a major industry of which of the following countries? That is Denmark. And 47, which of the following industries has been established at Bokora? So that is iron and steel industry. And 48th, Indian Railway is divided into, so it is divided into 18 zones. The 18th zone is, so it is the latest zone, so that is Southern Coast Railway, and the headquarters is Visakhapatnam. So the question is old question, so according to old question the answer is 17 zone, but now it is 18 zones. 49, which one of the following is not an industrial corridor as per the policy initiatives? So that is Kolkata, Guwahati. Option C. 50th one, Tatipaka oil refinery is located in the state of, so it is located in the state of Andhra Pradesh. 51, the number of major ports in India is, so that is 13. So the 13th port is latest port. So according to old question, it is, the answer is 12. The latest port is Port Blair port, it is in Andaman and Nicobar Island. And 52nd, consider the following statements regarding Indian Railways. The first statement, it is one of the largest railway network in the world. And the second statement, it emits less carbon compared to road transport. And the third one, there is no need of modernization in this sector. So here they have asked which of the above are correct. So that is option 1 and option 3 is correct. So option A is the right one. 53rd, recently India's first national investment and manufacturing zone was proposed to be set up in. So it is proposed to be set up in Andhra Pradesh. The next one, which one of the following statement concerning research centers in India are not correct? So they have asked which is not correct. The first statement, Rajiv Gandhi Center for Biotechnology located at Calcutta. So the Rajiv Gandhi Biotechnology Center for Biotechnology is located at Thiruvananthapuram. And the second one, Central Arid Zone Research Center is located at, so it is at Jodhpur. Center for Social Forestry and Ecohabitation is located at Allahabad. Institute of Forest Productivity, it is located at Ranchi. So here they have asked which statement is not correct, hence option A is the right one. 55. Indian government's target for production from small hydro project by the year 2022 is, so that is 5 gigawatt, option B. So Indian government was target to produce 175 watts. So from there 100 from solar energy, 175 out of 175, 100 from solar and 60 from wind energy, and from remaining 15, 5 from small hydro projects and 10 from biopower. So here they have, the question is from small hydro project, so that is 5 gigawatt. And 56th, bauxite is used as a raw material by which industry? That is aluminium. 57, automobiles are produced at, so it is produced at Kolkata. And the next one is Bangalore is famous for, so it is famous for aircraft industry and it is also known as Silicon Valley of India. And 59, the largest solar power plant in India is located at, so it is located at Madhapur, near Madhapur in Gujarat. So this is according to old, so the revised one is world's biggest solar power plant, it is in Kamudi. So not only India's largest, it is world's largest, so that is in Kamudi. And 60th one, Golden Correlator project for the development of national highway was initiated by. So it is initiated by Atal Bihari Vajpayee. And 61, who among the following is a primitive tribe? So that is Korva, option D. 62nd, which of the following sources has the largest share in power generation in India? So that is thermal power. 63rd, electric locomotives are manufactured at. So they are manufactured at Varanasi. And 64, where is the Indian National Rail Museum situated? So it is at Delhi. So it is started in 1st February 1977. So now India has about 33 museums, railway museums. And 65, match list 1 with list 2 and select the correct answers using the code given below and list. Bongaiyan, Gorakhpur, Pinjore, Sirpur. And list 2 industries, paper, machine craft, aircraft and petrochemical. So Bongaiyan, so petrochemical industry is located here. And Gorakhpur, aircraft, so it is in Odisha. And Pinjore, it is for machine tools. And Sirpur, it is for paper. So hence 4, 3, 2, 1 is the right one. And 66, antibiotics are produced in. So these are produced in Rishikesh. So which is in Uttarakhand. And 67, which one of the following pair is correctly matched? Ladakh cotton textiles, Dandakaranya cultivation of jute, North Bihar sugar industry, Royalsima tea plantation. So the correct, they have asked which is correctly matched. So that is North Bihar sugar industry. So the cotton textiles are mostly in Ahmedabad, and then cultivation of jute, so it is more in West Bengal, and tea plantation, it is mostly in the side of Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, etc. 68, city is known for silk weaving industries, so that is Kanchipuram. And 69, consider the following statements. The Cochin shipyard are constructed with the Japanese assistance. The integral coach factory was set up with German collaboration. Which of the above statement is correct? So they have asked which is correct. Hence, option A is the right one. 70th one, match list 1 with list 2. Kalinganagar, West Bengal, Vijayanagar, Tamil Nadu, Salem, Odisha, Durgapur, Karnataka. So Kalinganagar, so it is in Odisha, and Vijayanagar, it is in Karnataka, Salem, it is in Tamil Nadu, and Durgapur, it is in West Bengal. So hence the right option is 3, 4, 1, 2. Option C is the right one. 71st, the electronic voting machine are developed jointly with. So it is developed jointly with Bharat Electronics Limited and Electronics Corporation of India Limited. So the answer is option B, 2 and 3. Bharat Electronics Limited and Electronics Corporation of India Limited. 72nd, which of the following has been recorded as the geographical indication status? So we used to say is GI tag. So that is Varanasi brocade and saris and Tirupati laddu. So option C. 73rd, the uranium mines being developed by UCIL at the Lambapur and Domiasyat are located respectively in which of the following states? So these are in Andhra Pradesh and Meghalaya. 74th, match list 1 with list 2 and select the correct answers using the correct code given below. So silk, Kolur, Railwagon, Sirpur, paper, Titagarh, leather, Chennai. So here So here the right one is silk Kolar, railwagon Sirpur, paper Titagar and leather Chennai. Hence the right code is 1, 2, 3, 4. Hence option is the right one. 75 cotton textile mills in India have been sick in recent years mainly because. So these are because machinery has become obsolete. Option C is the right one. 76 spot the odd one from the following. Tarapur, Trombay, Kalpakkam, Narora, none of these. So here they have asked spot the odd one. So that is Trombay. So because Tarapur, Kalpakkam and Narora, so in these places the atomic power station is located, whereas in Trombay there is an atomic research center, not any power station. So hence option B is the odd one. So Baba Atomic Research Center is at Trombay. 77 railway coaches are manufactured at. So these are manufactured at Perambur. And 78 the main exporters of superfine cloths. So these are from Ahmedabad and Bombay. So option B. 79 the percentage of mill produced cloth to be exported from India is. So that is 10%, option B. 80th one, how many jute mill India had during 1974? That is 75 jute mills. 81, the iron and steel plant in Jharkhand is. So the Jharkhand, that is Bokora. So the Bokora iron and steel plant is in Jharkhand. And the next one is 82nd. Match the following. Tiruchirappalli, Visakhapatnam, Avadi, Chittaranjan. So Tiruchirappalli, heavy electrical industry, and Visakhapatnam, that is for shipbuilding, and Avadi, it is for tank factory, and Chittaranjan, that is for locomotive. So here the correct code is 3421. Option A is the right one. 83rd. In recent decades, there has been a considerable increase in the export of. So the considerable increase in the export of mineral raw materials. 84th, railway coaches are produced at. So these are produced at Perambur. And 85, ships are built in. So that is built in Visakhapatnam. Hence option A is the right one. 86th, the first ship manufactured in India was in. So was in 1960. 87, ships are repaired mainly at. So these are repaired mainly at Maxgowan Dock at Bombay. And 88, the first industrial policy was declared in. So it is declared in 1948, 6th April of 1948. And the next one, the first industrial policy declaration laid stress on. So it laid stress on the mixed economy. And 90th one, when was the industrial policy revised after 1948? So that one is 1986. April 30 of 1956. Not 86, 56. And the next one is maximum number of sugar factories all located in. So these are in Uttar Pradesh. And 92nd, which one of the following steel plants are started in 1965 in India with West German collaboration, that is Rourkela steel plant. 93, antibiotics are produced in, so that is produced in Rishikesh, Uttarakhand. And 94th, heavy engineering industries are located in. So these are in Bangalore and Madras. Manchester of South India, so that is Coimbatore. And the next one, the first fertilizer plant in India was established in. So that is in Sindri, which is in Bihar. So the first fertilizer plant is Sindri, and the second one is Nangal, it is in Punjab, and the third one is Tramba, it is in Mumbai. So the first fertilizer plant is Sindri, second Nangal, and the third one is Tramba. And 97th, in the context of India's 5-year plan, a shift in the pattern of industrialization with lower emphasis on heavy industries and more on infrastructure begins in. So it is in 6th plan. And 96th, consider the following pairs: Ashok Leyland, Hinduja Groups, Hindalco, AV Birla Group Industries, Suzlon Energy, Punch Lawyer Group. So here they have asked which of the following is correctly matched. So that is option 1 and 2 are correctly matched. Hence the right answer is option A. 99. Consider the following statements. MMTC Limited is India's largest international trading organization. And the second one, Neelachal Ispat Nigam Limited has been set up by MMTC jointly with Government of Odisha. So here both the statements are correct, hence option C is the right one. And which one of the following oil fields of India is the oldest and still producing oil? So here they have asked which is oldest and still producing oil. So that is Digboy, which is in Assam. And here which produces about which has about high oil fields is Bombay High, which has about 63 oil fields. And 101, which one of the following sequence of oil refineries of India as they occur from south to north? So here they have given four states, 4 places: Kochi, Mangalore, Mumbai and Koyali. So Kochi, it is in Kerala, it is in Karnataka. So Kochi, it is in Kerala, Mangalore, it is in Karnataka, and Mumbai, it is in Bombay, and Mumbai, it is in Maharashtra, and Koyali, it is in Gujarat. So from south to north, that is Kerala, and then Karnataka, and then Maharashtra, and then Gujarat. So hence the right one is option A. 102, the Vishraya Iron and Steel Industry is located at. So it is located at Bhadravati, Karnataka. And 103, it is basically a traditional center for cotton. The town accounts for the bulk of India's cotton nightwear exports to all over the world. The Noel River runs all across the town, virtually dividing it into 2 halves. So that is Tripura, which is in Tamil Nadu. And the next one is the Vishweshwara Iron and Steel is located at Bhadravati, which is in Karnataka. And 105, which city is known as Manchester of South India? So that is Coimbatore. And 106, Tisco plant is located near. So it is located near Tata Nagar. And 107, the state which has recently overtaken Karnataka for the top rank in the production of biofertilizer is. So that is Tamil Nadu. And these are all the questions regarding the industries in India. Hope this video is useful for your preparations. Thank you for watching.